Experiencing Midwest RepRap Festival was an experience I'll probably never forget. The people, the tech, the enthusiasm and the conversations. Follow along how a 3D enthusiast from Sweden found himself in Goshen, Indiana. I teamed up with Daniel Norrie, as you all know, and sat down on a SAS flight taking off directly to Chicago. We even got the Olsen Ruby Nozzle team, Eric and Henrik, on the same flight. Luckily, we got a direct flight from Sweden to Chicago and could meet up with the rest of Team Sweden, Martin and Jonathan from Bondtech. After a few minutes of sightseeing, we even started filming.
Hey, what's up guys? We made it to Chicago. Is that how you say it? I think so. Chicago.
Sweden.
That's
For some people.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
the
another
people
song.
that lives here.
We're here at the, whatever it's called, the beam, chrome beam. Pretty cool. I'll show you guys some clips. And we're heading off to Goshen now to go to MRRF. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So, see you guys later. Everyone's filming us right now because we're filming ourselves, which is really weird. Just check this out. Spin it!
Alright, after a drive in the rentals, we made it to Goshen, Indiana and the MRRF 2018, or MRRF. And oh boy is MRRF epic! There's everything. There's printers, there's plastic, there's people, there's robots, there's crazy prints, there's painting, there's just so much going on, so much fun. So instead of talking, I think we should hit you guys with a montage. Whoa, there were also an epic OpenRC F1 championship with cars racing each other in different heats and just creating a mayhem. Team Shake and Bake took it to a whole new level with a 110% commitment. And congratulations to Kirby to win it all in the first Open RC F1 Championship ever. During the weekend I got to talk with a few legends in the business, both on and off camera, something that I'll put up in a separate video coming soon. All in all, the MRRF 2018 was epic and won't leave us short of memories and selfies. A lot of selfies. I'm gonna make sure to come there the next year. Thank you everyone for watching, thank you everyone for meeting me and the talks and the conversations and watching the videos. And I mean, can you spot yourself? Put a comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next video.